Excuse me, is this Coffee Central? Yes, it is. You must be Amaurys.
Yes, I am. Good morning.
Good morning, Amaurys. Welcome to Coffee Central.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
We're happy to have you. Are you ready for your first day?
I think so. I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels nervous on their first day.
Really?
Of course. Don't worry. I'll help you today.
Thank you, Elizabeth. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. First, let's make sure you're ready for your shift.
Okay, what should I do first?
Please put your jacket and your bag in the staff room.
The staff room?
Yes, the staff room is where employees keep their personal things.
Oh, I understand. Where is it?
It's through that door, next to the kitchen.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Take your time.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Great. Here is your apron.
Thank you. It looks nice.
It will look even better when you learn how to tie it.
Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong.
A little. Let me show you.
Okay.
Put the apron around your waist, then tie it in the back.
Exactly. How does it look?
Perfect. Now you look like part of the team.
That feels good.
Your shift starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 5 o'clock.
9 to 5. Got it.
You'll have one lunch break and one short break in the afternoon.
What time is the lunch break?
Usually around 1 o'clock, but it depends on how busy we are.
Okay, that makes sense.
If you have a question, ask me. It's always better to ask than to guess.
I will. Sometimes I need people to repeat things.
That's fine. You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect.
I'll remember that.
Good. Now let's take a quick tour of the restaurant.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
Follow me. Welcome. This is the dining room.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Thank you. Our customers eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner here.
How many tables do we have?
20 tables inside and 6 outside.
That's a lot.
Yes, especially during lunch.
I hope I can remember everything.
You don't have to remember everything today.
Really?
No, just learn one step at a time.
That makes me feel better.
Come with me. This is the kitchen.
It smells amazing.
Our chefs start cooking very early every morning.
Can I come into the kitchen anytime?
Only if someone asks you to.
Okay, I understand.
Over here is the coffee station.
Oh, I know this machine.
Really?
Yes. Yesterday I practiced ordering coffee.
That's great. It will help you here.
I'm glad.
These shelves hold our cups, glasses, and plates.
Everything is very organized.
Organization is very important in a restaurant.
I can see that.
These are our menus.
Do customers always receive one?
Yes. First we greet them, then we give them a menu.
Greet first, menu second.
Exactly.
I'm trying to remember everything.
You're doing very well.
Thank you.
This is the cash register.
Will I use it today?
Not today.
Good. One new thing at a time.
Exactly.
I'm starting to feel a little more confident.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for being so patient.
You're welcome.
What's next?
Now you're going to meet your first customer.
Already?
Yes.
I'm nervous again.
Don't worry.
Will you stay with me?
Every step of the way.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, Amaurys, your first customer is here.
Already?
Yes. Just relax.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Central.
Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Central.
Excellent. Now smile.
Okay,
Now ask the customer what they would like.
what would you like today?
I'd like a cheeseburger, fries, and a large iced tea, please.
A cheeseburger, fries, and one large iced tea.
Very good. Now repeat the complete order.
One cheeseburger, one order of fries, and one large iced tea.
Perfect.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, I'd like a slice of chocolate cake.
One slice of chocolate cake.
That's right.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. Great job, Amaurys.
Really?
Yes, you spoke clearly.
I was very nervous.
I know.
Did I make any mistakes?
Only one.
Really?
You forgot to ask if the customer wanted something to drink before repeating the order.
Oh, you're right.
That's okay.
I'll remember next time.
That's how we learn.
Thank you for helping me.
You're doing much better than you think.
That makes me feel more confident.
Good.
What's next?
Now we're about to get very busy
Why?
because the lunch rush starts in 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes,
I hope I'm ready.
you'll find out very soon.
Let's do it.
Amaurys, the lunch rush is starting.
I can see that.
The restaurant gets very busy at this time.
There are so many customers.
Yes, but don't panic.
I'm trying to stay calm.
Good.
What should I do first?
Take menus to table 5.
Table 5.
That's right.
Here are your menus.
Excellent.
What next?
Now bring water to table 3.
Right away.
Very good.
Here's your water.
Perfect.
I'm starting to remember the tables.
I told you that you would.
You're right.
Now table 7 is ready to order.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Amaurys.
Nice to meet you.
What would you like today?
I'd like a grilled chicken sandwich and a lemonade.
A grilled chicken sandwich.
And a lemonade.
A grilled chicken sandwich and a lemonade.
Correct.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Your order will be ready soon. Thank you.
You're welcome. Excellent job.
Really? I'm becoming more confident.
I feel much better now. That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
I think I'm finally relaxing.
Good.
Is everything going well?
Almost.
What happened?
A customer at table 2 says there's a problem with the food.
Oh no.
Come with me.
Let's go.
Amaurys, the customer at table 2 needs your help.
Okay, I'll go right now.
Hello? Is everything okay?
Actually, I ordered a cheeseburger,
Yes?
but this is a chicken sandwich.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
It's okay.
I'll fix it right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Elizabeth,
Yes?
I made my first mistake.
No?
No?
The kitchen made the mistake.
Really?
Yes.
I thought it was my fault.
No one is perfect.
What should I do now?
Take the sandwich back to the kitchen.
Okay,
Then ask for the correct order.
a cheeseburger.
Exactly.
Should I say anything to the chef?
Yes.
What should I say?
Say, table 2 ordered a cheeseburger.
Table 2 ordered a cheeseburger.
Perfect.
I'll go now.
Good.
Here's the correct order.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
No problem at all.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excellent work.
Really?
Yes. I thought the customer would be angry. Most customers simply want you to solve the problem.
That wasn't as bad as I expected.
Exactly.
I think I'm learning a lot today.
And the day isn't over yet.
There's more?
Yes.
What's next?
It's almost time for the busiest hour of the day.
I hope I'm ready.
I think you're more ready than you realize.
Let's keep going.
Great job today, Amaurys.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Much better than this morning.
I can tell.
At first, I was really nervous.
That's normal.
Now I feel more comfortable.
You're learning very quickly.
Thanks to your help.
You've done the hard work.
I still have a lot to learn.
We all do.
Really?
Absolutely.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How long have you worked here?
Almost 6 years.
6 years?
Yes,
You must know everyone.
I do.
Do you enjoy working here?
Very much.
Why?
Because we're like a family.
I like that.
I think you'll like it here too.
I already do.
That's wonderful to hear.
Everyone has been so kind.
That's what makes Coffee Central special.
I'm proud to be part of the team.
And we're happy you're here.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
You're very welcome.
What's next?
It's almost time to close.
Does that mean my first day is almost over?
Almost.
One more thing?
Yes.
What is it?
I'd like you to meet the owner of the restaurant.
The owner?
He's been watching you all day.
Really?
Yes.
I hope I made a good impression.
Let's go find out. Come with me, Amaurys.
Okay.
I'd like you to meet Mr. Johnson.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Amaurys.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Elizabeth told me you've been watching me today.
That's right.
I hope I did a good job.
You did very well.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
I certainly did.
But I also saw something else.
What was that?
You listened carefully.
I tried my best.
You were respectful.
Thank you.
And every time you made a mistake, yes, you wanted to learn.
I always want to improve.
That's exactly the kind of person we like to hire.
That means a lot to me.
Skills can be taught.
Really?
Yes.
What matters most?
A good attitude.
I understand.
Keep working hard.
I will.
Keep asking questions.
I will.
And never stop learning.
I promise.
Welcome to the Coffee Central family.
Thank you so much.
We're happy you're here.
I'm happy to be here too.
Ready for your second day tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Good.
I can't wait to learn even more.
I think tomorrow will be even more exciting.
Why?
Because tomorrow,
Yes,
you'll serve customers all by yourself.
I'm excited.
And a little nervous?
A little.
That's a good sign.
Why?
Because it means you care.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Amaurys. Well, Amaurys,
Yes?
How was your first day?
Honestly,
Yes?
it was much better than I expected.
I'm happy to hear that.
This morning, I was afraid.
I remember.
I didn't know if I could do the job.
And now?
Now I believe I can.
That's wonderful.
I still have a lot to learn.
We all do.
But today, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
It's okay to make mistakes.
Exactly.
The important thing is to keep learning.
That's the right attitude.
Thank you for believing in me.
You earned it.
I couldn't have done it without your help.
Tomorrow you'll need a little less help.
I hope so.
I know so.
I'll keep working hard.
That's all anyone can ask.
I'm actually looking forward to tomorrow.
Good.
I never thought learning English could feel like this.
Like what?
Like living a new life.
That's because every conversation opens a new door.
I like that.
And tomorrow,
Yes?
a new adventure begins.
I'll be ready.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Elizabeth.
What a day.
Tired?
A little.
That's normal after your first day.
I'm tired.
But
I'm happy.
I'm glad.
This morning, I was afraid to speak English.
And now?
Now I feel much more confident.
That's wonderful.
I even talked to customers by myself.
You certainly did.
I never thought I could do that.
Sometimes we surprise ourselves.
You're right.
What was your favorite part of today?
Meeting everyone.
They liked you too.
Really?
Of course. That makes me happy. Coffee Central has a great team.
I can feel that.
Tomorrow you'll learn even more.
I can't wait.
Don't forget to get some rest tonight.
I will.
You'll need your energy.
For another busy day,
Exactly.
I'll be ready.
I believe you will.
Thank you for everything today.
You're very welcome.
See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow, Amaurys.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night.
Good morning, Elizabeth.
Good morning, Amaurys.
I think I'm a little early.
You are.
I wanted to be ready today.
I can see that.
I even practiced English at home last night.
Really?
Yes,
That's impressive.
I don't want to let anyone down.
You're not going to.
I hope not.
You already proved something yesterday.
What was that?
You never gave up.
I won't give up.
That's why I know you'll do well today.
Thank you.
Ready to open the restaurant?
Absolutely.
Today's challenge is different.
Different?
Today,
Yes.
you'll take care of your own tables.
By myself?
That's right.
I'm a little nervous,
That's okay.
but I'm also excited.
That's exactly how new adventures begin.
Let's get started.
Welcome to day 2.
I can't wait.